Today I'm sharing one of my favorite weeknight barbecue meals. It's my chicken kebabs recipe. I smoke these on the Traeger and then I like to serve it with some pasta. So I'm going to walk you through how I make my homemade pasta sauce as well. First, I seasoned up some veggies, so red onion and red pepper with a little olive oil and barbecue rub. In a separate bowl, I marinated some chicken breasts cut into small cubes with some olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and fresh minced garlic. I let the veggies and the chicken marinate in the fridge for about an hour while I got some stuff done around the house, and then it was time to pop them on the smoker. I popped the chicken kebabs on skewers and into the smoker at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour to an hour and a half. They cook up pretty quickly, especially in the Ranger, which is a smaller one. Traeger sent this to me and I've been loving it ever since. It's so easy to throw together your own pasta sauce. I like to make some with diced onion, olive oil, butter, add some freshly minced garlic, salt, pepper, Italian seasonings, and then I put in one of these small containers of tomato paste. It gives pasta sauce a really rich flavor that my family loves. I added 2 large containers of tomato sauce, which is why this comes together so quickly, and let that simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. This pasta sauce is great with a thick curly pasta like this one, or sometimes I'll use something like bucatini, which really grabs onto the sauce. Look how good. So as the chicken cooks, you just want to start temping it and pull off each kebab as it hits 165 degrees in the chicken. Dinner is looking so good right now. Just time to plate this up. And if you like delicious recipes, make sure to sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list. And you can print these type of recipes at Sip Bite Go. I serve this up with some DOP Parmesan, fresh basil leaves on top. And with the chicken kebabs, either still on the skewer or sometimes I just plate them up individually and pop the chicken on top. Delicious.